In this video, I'll show you how we can create a pulse effect to our Squarespace buttons. Over here at Squarespace, the button I want this pulsating effect to be on is this Learn More button right here. So in order to do this, what I need to do is add some custom code. So let's jump into the pages on the website, on the Squarespace menu, click on the website tools, and then let's move our way into the customs.css. Inside here, we need to copy paste some code. The code will, of course, be down in the description. And as you can see right away, the code gets initialized and we have a pulsating effect towards our button. We do have some customization options here. For example, you can see in the start here, we start with the keyframes, which is a way of coding CSS with something called keyframe. As you can see, this is basically the animation that we are making. This you can change if you'd like. You can, for example, change the one here to, let's say, a 1.5. You can see that it becomes quite large. You can also change the transform scale right here to, for example, let's do a 3. And you can see that it also becomes larger in the other way. But let's just keep it at what it was. This is the box shadow. So this is basically the shadow that you have around here, which you also have the possibility to change. Coming down to the side wrapper function, you can see that in this, we say that it is the primary button that we want this code to be on. And we can also change this to both the secondary by just removing this and writing secondary, and also for the T3 if we want to do that. So it doesn't mean that we need to have the pulsating effect on all of the buttons on our Squarespace website. We can identify and target the ones we want to target. Down here, we do have the background color. So that is the background color on the button. For example, if you want to change this to a red, let's do FF000. You can see that it's a red. But as you can see as well, we would then need to change the pulsating effect around it to also be red for it to match perfectly. Other than that, you can also see that we have the text color. We can choose right this black if you want, and you can see that the text color on the button becomes black. I like to have that as white. I think that looks a lot better. And we also have the border radius, and that is basically the curves on the button. If we want to change that to, for example, have a 0, we can also do that. Or if we want to have it like 100, for example, for it to be very much like a circle, we can also do that. Finally, we do also then have the possibilities here to write in how long we want this effect to take. So for example, if we wanted to take 1 second, you can see that the pulsating effect goes a little bit faster if I do that. We can also even have it even longer if you want. So we can put it at 10 seconds. And you can see that it takes a lot of time. I recommend to have it about 2 or 3 seconds. I think that looks the best. That makes it look more like a pulsating button. That was a very simple tutorial on how you can create a pulsating button on your Squarespace website. I hope you find it useful. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.